Hey, welcome to my brand new art channel. Check out my other channel if you're into video games or chickens or memes or bad business ideas. But howdy, I'm Max and I think I found the perfect hack for painting lace in a pinch. I've been doing like wedding paintings and ball gown paintings and I found this to be something. Just to add some texture. It's some weird I made up. My toxic trait is using dirty paint palettes and then complaining about it instead of ever cleaning them. First, I'm just pouring some blue. This one's a cobalt. Then some bright yellow, white, and then just a brown. And honestly, these are shit paints. They're apple barrel, but I can do some pretty good things with apple barrel. Except for apple barrel white. That one always breaks, never buy it. I'm going to demonstrate this by painting a little picture of a swatch of fabric. Okay, so I'm painting some fabric, so I'm putting some of my darker colors down first. I love using blue when it comes to painting white fabric, just because I think it looks cool personally, but it's totally up to you. And then I'm sort of just blending it all together with white paint. The darker spots are just the shadows and creases in the fabric. Here I am just using some crappy frayed out brush that I should have thrown in the garbage where it belongs quite a long time ago. But yeah, I'm just using it to blend these guys together. I'm just adding yellow for some contrast. Use whatever color you want, really. I just like this color. I think this palette looks good with fabrics. Then just adding more white because, dear God, that's way too much yellow. But it does blend together pretty, I swear. I've done this. So yeah, that's a pretty little piece of fabric, but it's not lacy yet. I'm just gonna let this dry. So basically my hack is just to draw little squiggles in no particular order or fashion. I'm gonna demonstrate this in blue on the back of this canvas. So this is just kind of what I mean, but really there's no science to it. I'm just going for it. So basically all I do is this, except for on the front, and in this situation I'm using white. You can water down your white if you want, or sometimes it dries cool or lighter. Either way works. This is not the final step, so don't panic. So see, there's like a squiggle thing. I'm using a super tiny brush. You're just seeing this really close up. And just painting these little fellas here. It looks super white right now on this, but this particular paint dries and it kind of blends in nicely. So just kind of follow the lines of fabric up with the little squiggles and just go for it. There are no rules here. Do something fun on the side, because this is just busy work. Call your mom. Watch YouTube. Watch my main YouTube channel. I don't know. Speeding it up for you here, but just so you know, sometimes when I do these, I also use a thickening material or a texture paste, but that's just if you're feeling extra. And today, I'm not feeling extra, so I'm just using paint. I'm just following these lines of fabric up, and yeah, it's looking better. It's not gonna look quite right yet, so you do have to just trust the process. So the last step is just kind of going back over these dark and light parts with the same color I used in step 1. My paint's not dry entirely already, but I think that'll add a cool effect. So I'm just intensifying my shadows and giving some depth to this blue, toning down my white just a little bit, and then I'm highlighting with this white again. And again, this is super close up, and my brush is very tiny, and my canvas is honestly not very big either, and maybe my hands are tiny too. And yeah, just do that for a while, tone it down, play it up, whatever you're feeling, and that's your last step. Yeah, this is our final result. I think it looks pretty cool. I've done this in other colors as well, like this black effect right here. What I did to paint this guy here I did try doing it in some blues on this canvas as well, and then I didn't like it and I got rid of it, so. But yeah, it just looks like a dress, so it works. So if you decide to try this random thing I made up to paint lace, please let me know in the comments. Let me know how it goes. I think I found a secret here. I think I found a hack. Thanks for watching, and subscribe if you're into whatever this is.